Can I learn to swim on my own? The short answer is yes. However, you will have to use a different approach than the one that you would use if you learned from a regular swimming instructor. I'm the proof of that. I've learned to swim from YouTube tutorials, and I can swim hundreds of meters in 3 different strokes, and I'm learning the 4th one. For starters, you will not have anybody to be accountable to, and there's nobody going to be there for you to keep you motivated. It's all on you. It will probably take you longer to learn, and you will make some mistakes that probably will lead to some bad habits that most likely will need to be fixed down the road through a coaching session. However, this is not a big deal, and learning by yourself will most likely save you money and allow you to practice at your own pace. If you would like to learn a little bit more about the different stages you will be reaching whilst learning to swim, watch the video above.